So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've seen this trying to go around on YouTube and I'm like, I have made a lot of purchases on this site. And it's what you like purchase on Amazon, or like Amazon things, your favorite Amazon things you purchase. So I'm going to tell you guys things that I purchased on Amazon in the past and just give you some ideas of what you can buy there, because honestly I love Amazon. That is really my one shopping site I probably use the most. I really don't shop online that much, but Amazon is always my go-to place for things, for like technology mostly. So this video is mainly technology stuff, so I'm just gonna, you guys know that it's a lot of technology stuff for like your camera equipment or for your phone, because that's really what I shop for on Amazon. I made a quick little list on my phone of things that I have purchased, and I can show you guys here the pile right here, if you guys can see. So the first thing I have purchased a lot from Amazon is subscription services to like Spotify, Netflix, Hulu, all that stuff. That's mainly how I get my subscription services. Now I do use my credit card because it's so cheap, where I'm just like, I make enough money where I'm just like, here, it's fine, I'll use it. My parents like it and all that, so, and I've been using a lot of it, and like, honestly, I pay $15 a month for 3, so you guys know I do all those apps. I will link those videos down below to like how to get the free gift cards for Amazon, and I'll link that down below so you guys can see how I can get the Netflix stuff, because that's really how I did it for the past, say, since 2012. So I've always had Netflix, and that's the main thing I have purchased on Amazon, is a $25 Netflix gift card. I get an Amazon gift card, and then I change it to Netflix, and then you get Netflix. Next thing I always purchase, I either purchase it for myself or friends if they are needing one, is portable charger. Here are two of them that I have. If you guys don't know, you know. If you know me, you know that I always have portable chargers on me when I go to the city or wherever. Even when I'm working, I keep one in my bag. There's one in my bag right now, but I always keep one with me because you never know. And they're really the cheapest at Amazon. I always get them for less than $15, and it's such a steal. The brand that I recommend is Powerade. I think this is the best one. I have two of these brands. This is like a bigger one, and I have a really tinier one that I keep in my work bag, because just in case right now. It's still in there, but why do I need a portable charger right now? But still. And this one is from Ombra. It has the 2 one. You can see that. It has the 2, which I like when I have like with friends, and they need one, or like you have like an iPad and an iPod or iPhone or whatever, and you want to charge like 2 things, or somebody has like a different device and they want to charge it with you. So, and I always get ones that are like 200 milliamps or something like that. I would get them higher, but they're always like really cheap, like $10. So I will link them down below for you guys for portable charger. All the ones I've bought in the past, or the ones I bought in for friends as gifts. Next is cases. You guys know. You guys don't know me. I love cases. I think I have a good amount of iPhone videos where I like shown my cases before. Yeah, there's one that I did where like showing where my cases are from and all Amazon. This is a portable charger case from Powerbank. It works okay, but I'll link it down below, and it has that stand, which is great for watching YouTube videos whenever, if you're like sitting like at a desk or something. And then these are all my other ones that I have. These are like flimsy ones. I think this is supposed to be with something. I forget what it was, but and I have this pink and blue one, which is one of my favorite ones because I love these colors. These are my cases, all Amazon, all been like $5 or less. I do not really buy at stores cases. I've only bought one case at Target, which has been this one, because I really need a new one. Highly recommend cases. I will link them down below, of course, for these if I still can find them. So on to the more techie stuff, and I have a few like random things that I wrote down on the phone. Okay, so these are tripods. You guys know a lot of YouTubers mention buying tripods on Amazon. So if you have like a iPhone, I recommend like one like this. You can get it and you can put the iPhone in here to put like on your desk and you do a makeup tutorial or like a talking video or whatever. And then this is just a regular one for your camera, your big camera, your small camera, whatever. I highly recommend. I actually did get my friend Nikki this a while ago. I meant a tripod small one. They're really not that expensive. You get them even like Walmart and stuff. But if you don't want to go to stores like now, Amazon's your go-to. I'll link these down below also. Other things that I've gotten on Amazon, batteries. So, batteries for your camera. If you guys don't know, you can buy batteries for your camera online on Amazon. This is the brand I use for my camera. This is for Canon. I have the Canon T3i. If you guys don't know, that's my big camera I use. Sometimes I'll use my little vlogging camera. I do have extra battery, which is from the same brand. I will link down below, of course. This is the Wasabi Power. I really recommend this brand. I don't think it was that inexpensive. It came with this. It came with the outlet. So that's great. And I think it came with like, yeah, and it came with a charger for the car, which is kind of nice if you drive and you're like a vlogger. So I recommend that, but I will link this down below. And this is the light that I did buy on Amazon. My dad got it for me for Hanukkah last year or the year before that, something like that. So this is the light. I'm not using it right now because I want to show you guys, but you can get a light. My friend recommended this. And I highly recommend it. I don't think it was that expensive. I'm gonna go through my email and try and find the same one that I got. I forgot that you could also buy phone wires. So you guys know we're in quarantine right now, and getting a phone wire at a store, you can't really go out and go to like a Best Buy. My phone wire broke, and I found a 3-foot wire that I had. I didn't realize it was 3 foot, and I like my 6 feet wire. So I'm like, what do I do? I'm like, what do I do? I'll use this for now. And then I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna buy it on Amazon. I bought an Amazon Basic wire. I have another one that's Amazon Basic 3 feet. Highly recommend it. They're a great brand, and I will link it down below. And the last 2 things I have bought on Amazon that I recommend for you guys to buy is a desk stand. I mentioned it in my working from home tip video. Gabrielle Marie mentioned one in a video, but this is the one I bought that wasn't that expensive. It was cheaper than hers. So I'll insert it here, picture, and I'll link it down below. I haven't used it much yet because I don't know why, but if I do need it, I do have the option at home to use a desk stand for myself. And I've also bought a makeup case for makeup on sale for like $2, which is so cheap. And I was like, what? And then I saw it on this Facebook group app that like get clothes and stuff, which I can also link down below if you guys want it. And they always give you cheap things for Amazon. So yeah, so that is all the stuff I have bought on Amazon. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys to have some Amazon ideas. Like, I have bought makeup and stuff, but I really don't buy that stuff much. But it's mostly like tech related, phone related. But I know it's cheaper to buy on Amazon. And if I'm gonna buy makeup, I'd rather buy it from like Ulta or something, just in case it's not real. I'm like sketchy with that. I hope you guys liked this video. Give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more videos, because let me know what you guys want me to do here on YouTube, because I'm trying to think of video ideas. I'm thinking of making like me making TikTok videos. I don't know, I've been scrolling through there a lot and I'm just like, yeah, so I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video, which I don't know what it's gonna be because I have a lot of pre-filmed videos that I have to edit still, but I want to film, so because I was bored. So love you guys so much. Bye.